The morning report for the 21st of May 2009. The Federal Reserve predicted deeper recessions and concerns over the new lending restrictions in the US has seen the final hour of trade plunge the market into a negative return for the day. What we saw was the Dow Jones down 0.6%, the S&P 500 down 0.5%, and the Nasdaq down 0.5%. Obviously, there's deepening concerns regarding this recession, and there's obviously concerns over the lending restrictions being put in place. Now, this is not a bad thing, but certainly it's not going to help the recovery of the market in the short term. Now, we also saw the FTSE move down slightly, down 0.3% overnight, and our market closed up just up 0.19% or 7 points the day, sitting rather flat with not a lot of good news out there. Again, the credit restrictions will also flow through to Australia. There is new credit legislation coming through in regards to margin loans especially, and that will also restrict and probably slow down the credit industry in Australia here. Now, there's also other news out from James Hardie Group, who yesterday announced that they think that the market, especially the housing sector, which is their major market, has not bottomed yet, and there is worse to come. Although they did reach a good net profit of $136 million compared to a loss of $71 million on last year. So although it's a positive result for James Hardie, they certainly are thinking there's a little bit worse to come. Now, the other news, gold price was up 1.2% as people look for safety, closing at $937 an ounce. Oil had a good gain, up 3.2% to close at $61 a barrel, and the Aussie dollar stayed pretty much where it was at 77 US cents. Now, in other news, we are certainly starting to have a bit of a closer look at oil. Now, we saw oil go as low into the $30 range a barrel earlier last year and earlier this year. What we're starting to see now is the oil price starting to firm up a little bit. Now, this is starting to make us look a bit more at the small junior oil players. Now, when the oil price is around $30 a barrel, these guys were looking a lot like they'll go out the back door. Now the oil price is back up around $60 a barrel. The junior players are starting to look a bit more attractive. Now, you've got to be careful in this sector because they are juniors and they can go bust pretty quickly. Now, we'll be taking a closer look at this sector over the coming days and weeks, and we're getting some information out to our clients regarding which ones may be a good opportunity to play in. Now, if you're interested in this, give us a call or drop us an email or go to our website at growyourwealth.com.au.